Hi, I'm Sue Welch, and I'm the CEO of Tradestone Software.
I'm Fred Balboni, and I'm the worldwide leader for the retail practice for IBM Global Business Services. Merchandise lifecycle management is an area near and dear to IBM's heart. Merchandise lifecycle management and product lifecycle management are very similar, but there are some things that make them actually quite different. In product lifecycle management, it grows out of manufacturing as a context, and it's about products, highly engineered products. Versus when we think about merchandise lifecycle management, we're thinking about the merchandising process. So, what are the key issues? It's about assortment. It's about the mix. It's about seasonality and about new merchandise introduction and keeping the flow in a store. The opportunity this brings to retailers is really exciting. Currently, retailers use spreadsheets, fax machines, emails to hold together one of the fundamental processes of their business. And now as retailers see the opportunity and they want to scale this, the process of merchandise lifecycle management provides a coherent framework and a set of technologies for a retailer to take advantage of global sourcing and private label development. Private label for retailers have a number of really exciting benefits. First of all, if you've got the right merchandise in the store, you're the only source for it, so that builds a level of loyalty. And when you enrich that brand, so it goes from just cost to differentiated brand, you've got the ability to get a shopper that comes back to your store because you're the only place they can get those merchandise. The second thing that's of really great value is that tends to be an enriched margin for you, a better margin. And so therefore, you've got a lot more flexibility on how you want to promote that. Finally, for the shopper, you love that store because it has the stuff you want and you know you can get it there.
My name is Teresa Nersessian. I'm the Vice President of Global Logistics and Trade Compliance, and my role at PacSun encompasses global logistics, trade compliance, and merchandising operations. We sought out Tradestone to help unify our global sourcing initiatives for both branded and private label merchandise. We balance our private label and our branded merchandise assortment by always having more brands than proprietary. Our target is about 60% branded in apparel and about 40% proprietary. We felt tremendous confidence in Tradestone from a trust and reliability standpoint that was based on their vast experience, and it started at the top of their organization with their CEO, their Chief Product Officer, and all the way down. One of the great benefits that we got from Tradestone was not only their vast retail experience, they understood the environment that we worked in, they understood our challenges, they had worked with customers that were larger than us, they had worked with customers that were smaller than us, they really understood our footprint and our space. A lot of the software applications that we reviewed did not present a whole picture of the supply chain. Their expertise was once the purchase order was generated. What's important to understand about Tradestone and the expertise that they bring to the table is they understand all the activity that takes place to what I refer to as the left of the purchase order. 80% of the activity that is involved in designing, developing, and producing a garment happens before that purchase order is generated. And the Tradestone solution provides visibility, metrics, tools, analytics, visibility, control to all of those processes. Tradestone and its staff and the software and the people understood the complexities of our business, how our business changed constantly, and just how complex the relationships were of the people that we dealt with. The value that IBM brought to the project was project management, articulating the technical requirements. IBM was the bridge between the user and Tradestone. They facilitated the process, they articulated the requirements, they supported the back end of the project so that we were always ready to go with data, with information, and with status. Retailers do not adopt to change very well, and Pacific Sunwear is no exception. we had an initial pushback for new technology. People are comfortable with spreadsheets, they're comfortable with emails, they don't want to move to a software solution and change the way that they're doing business. But once we got a core group of people involved with Tradestone, the adoption rate was tremendous, particularly among our younger associates. Tradestone looks and feels like the internet. It is effective, it is efficient, and it was very easy for us to prove the process improvement that Tradestone provided. One of the benefits that the Tradestone solution has provided us is it's taken two previously siloed functions within the organization and it has integrated them. What you see in this conference room here is our merchandise assortment. It's a complement of branded and private label, and previously they were two separate things. Now we can see our merchandise assortment all together, all as one, see the status of all of our production, our samples, as well as Tradestone provides us with one version of the truth. No longer does a merchant need to go to a product manager and ask where their goods are, ask what the status of their sample is. The Tradestone tool provides the visibility into the entire design, product development, and production process.
Welcome back, and thanks for listening to IBM and Pacific Sunwear share their experiences about merchandise lifecycle management and how important it is for suppliers and retailers. Bottom line is Tradestone is passionate about retail. Our solutions were built for retailers by retailers. It's why the world's largest retailers and smallest retailers turn to us when they want successful global sourcing and private label programs. If you'd like to hear more about how Tradestone can help you deliver radical results and make the most of your 8-second consumer, then drop me a line. I can be reached at swelch@tradestonesoftware.com or call me 978-281-3723. And be sure to visit our website, tradestonesoftware.com. Thank you.